Hi guys, this is Kannan. Just I'm giving the live trading updates or comments while I'm doing the trading today. So morning. So today I have taken the trade 17,000 call option by around 10:20. Sorry, not around 10:20. Around 9:17, I took the 17,000 call option by the price was average price was 210. Average price was 210.91. So so if you see that so from morning itself it's going keep on going. So based on my pre-market analysis report, I have given I have given the statement like market may be bullish in the morning till 2:30. Market may be start bearish at around 2:30 p.m. So based on this comment, so the market is behaving as per my statement today. Let's see. I'm waiting. I kept the target order. See, the target order is in the open status. So I'm waiting for the target around 320, 300 to 320. So the today the high went to 289. Just I'm waiting 300 to 320. Let's see how it's going to the market. Wait and see. And let's see. So always I'm using the mantra. I already told in the previous pre-market report or post-market report. I have given the statement like I am following these four steps. So how I am in the live market, I am explaining you how I use these four steps. So I was waiting support and resistance in the morning. So what was the support in the Nifty 50? The Nifty 50, the support was taken at the CPR level. The first candle has taken the support at CPR level and it has been retested previous high. So this candle, the third candle has been retested the previous day high. The candle chart will be I'm keeping 5 minutes chart. So it has retested here. So in this retesting point, I have entered at around 925. You know that I have taken order around 925. So I taken around 917. So after that I told that moving average. So the next second one is using 200 EMA. So the 200 this is the 200 period EMA. This so the market is trading above the 200 EMA and retested nearby the 200 EMA. So so that also got passed. And third is CPR level. I already told the CPR. The market is started trading above the CPR level. And the fourth one is price action. So the price action here, what is the price action here? The third candle, I was waiting till the third candle. So I first candle it went to huge. So I don't want to buy this much highest price. So whenever you are going to the uh, vegetable market, if the price is in the high, you will ask the shopkeeper give some discount. So I don't want to buy this this much price. So you will ask that discount. So the shopkeeper will reduce the price. So once the price came to the whatever your convenient price, then you will start the buy. The same way here, the third candle, I don't want to buy in the first candle. In the third candle, I'm asking some discount in the market. So the market came to discount price. So the discount price nearby some previous support level, previous day high is the support, and that also above the moving average. And so I was decided this is my correct price to start by. So I started by here. That is called price action. So I applied all the four steps. Okay, guys. Now the market is trading around 291. So the today the market, sorry, not the 291. This call option. Call option is trading around 285. So the current profit is going on 9,29,000. So still I'm holding. I'm expecting. I have waiting for the. I already exited with the limit price 320. Once the market is reaches to 320, my order automatically will get trigger, and sell order will get trigger. And so whatever I bought the equal, I I bought seven set of 1,800 quantity. The same seven set of 1,800 quantity I placed at limit order 320. So when the price market price will reach to 320, the automatically the sell order will get triggered. So otherwise, if the price is coming to nearby 300 or 310, I will manually I will go and I will modify whatever price I need. I will modify and I will try to exit. So that's my plan. Hi guys, just I am going to pass the video. Once my target is reaches near to 300 or 320, I will again I will record the video. Now I am going to pass the video. Hi guys. In the meanwhile, I have remaining some 22 lakhs I have remaining in my account. So what I have done, the market if it is come to down to the 250 rupees. So what I thought, if it is coming to 250, so it has some support at 250. So I'm thinking, suppose if the market is coming at 250, so some more quantity I have added in the limit order. So in the limit order, I have placed call option buy around 250. Some 5 set of 1,800 quantity. But the market again it went to 280. But let's see if it is coming to 250, it will trigger for the buy order. Let let it be, guys. I have draw one the triangle line. So if the market is trading above this trending line, then the market will keep on the bullish. So when the market is breaking this uh, trending line and this moving average 20 days EMA, then the market will start in the bearish side, downside. So keep watching. Let's see. Guys, today market, I think the market is may go in the one directional towards up direction. Keep on till end of the day. So don't try to any sell order. So keep on buying side. So I am going to keep on buying side because I am thinking the market is going in the one direction. Till end of the today expiry. So let's see. Hi guys. So finally, my target was hitted 320. I told. So 320 target was hitted, and automatically the sell order got triggered, and at 320 the all the sell order got triggered, and my profit now is showing like 13 lakhs 74,000. So these are live trading comments, guys. Uh, Thanks for today. Good luck for today trade. Yeah, thanks.